The Teutoburg Forest is a range of low, forested hills in the German states of Lower Saxony and North Rhine-Westphalia, which is believed to be the scene of a decisive battle in 09C. Until the 19th century, the official name of the hill ridge was Osning. Geography. The Teutoburg Forest is a peripheral section in the north of the German central uplands, and forms a long narrow range of hills extending from the eastern surroundings of Paderborn in the south to the western surroundings of Osnabrück in the northwest. South of the city centre of Bielefeld, a gap called the Bielefeld Pass bisects the range into the northern Teutoburg Forest and southern Teutoburg Forest. In addition, the northeastern and southwestern ridges are cut by the exits of the longitudinal valleys between the ridges. The geologically oldest ridge is the northeastern one, which consists of limestone of the Triassic. Most of the ridges and part of the valley are covered by deciduous forest. Parts of the valley areas are used for agriculture, especially production of cereals. The highest elevation in the southern Teutoburg Forest is the Velmerstote. In the northern Teutoburg Forest, the highest elevation is the Dorenberg. The river Ems has its source at the western base of the southernmost portion of the Teutoburg Forest. The southern half of the range, situated about 30 kilometers southwest of the Weser Valley, is part of the watershed between the Ems Basin in the west and the Weser Basin in the east. The drainage towards the Weser is affected by the Werra River. The northwestern half of the range is drained to the river Ems on both sides. The neighboring landscapes are the Westphalian lowland in the west, Hayes Valley in the north, the hilly Ravensburg Basin in the northeast, Lippe uplands in the east, and Egg Range in the south, except for a short area south of Osnabrück, which belongs to the Bundesland of Lower Saxony. The whole forest is part of North Rhine-Westphalia. History. The Battle of Teutoburg Forest in 09 AD occurred in or near this region, though the exact location is disputed. The Roman historian Gaius Cornelius Tacitus identified the location of the battle as Saltus Teutoburgensis. Recent excavations suggest that at least the final stages of the battle took place farther northwest, at Kalkriese, north of Osnabrück. As of 2011, update, the Teutoburg Forest comprises two separate nature parks. Terra.Vita Nature Park, northwest part between Bielefeld and Osnabrück. Teutoburg Forest, Egg Hills Nature Park between Bielefeld and River Diemel Hills. Hermann's Memorial and the renaming of the Osning. Arminius, leader of the Germanic tribes during the battle, became something of a legend for his overwhelming victory over the Romans. During the period of national renaissance in the wake of the Napoleonic Wars, German people saw him as an early protagonist of German resistance to foreign rule and a symbol of national unity. A monumental statue of Arminius commemorating the battle, known as the Hermannsdenkmal, was erected on the hill of Grotenberg near Detmold, close to the site where the most popular theory of the time placed the battle. Emperor William I, the first Kaiser of the unified German Empire, dedicated the monument in 1875. A monumental statue of the emperor himself was erected on the hill of Wittekensberg in Wehen Hills. In order to create a national landscape, the Osning Hills were given the name of Teutoburg Forest. See also Teutonic. However, the old name survived among the local population, and the part of the ridge around the Ebig near Bielefeld is still known as the Osning today. In this forest the composer Johannes Brahms liked to walk during his stay in Detmold. Websites. Arminius, Varus. The Battle of the Teutoburg Forest. Internet portal, Westfälische Geschichte, LWL Institute für Westfälische Regionalgeschichte, Münster.